Hi friends, good evening and welcome back to my channel. After a good meal, it would be good if the evening are spent with a piece of chocolate. Yes, life without chocolate is like an year without rain. When you are always stressed, it is good to have dessert so that you can beat your stress as well. Chocolate cakes are all-time craving for us, no matter the time to have it. Making our dessert more chocolatey will make us happy and also it would be a delight for us. Today we are going to see a recipe that has chocolate center and it's really an yummy one too. Yes, it's the Domino's unique recipe Choco Lava Cake. We are going to make it today. And when I thought, can it be homemade? Yes, we can definitely make it in our home with the simple ingredients we are having. So let's check out the ingredients for making Choco Lava Cake. These are the simple ingredients which I am going to use to make my molten choco lava cake. I am using a choco chip cookie. Here I have used Good Day. I have taken it as 2 packets, but you can take it as much as you need it based on the quantity of your cake. If you are going to make so much numbers, then you can add accordingly. And definitely you need baking soda for making this recipe and also baking powder. Then I have taken 3 tablespoons of curd so that your cake will be moist and gives a good texture also to your cake. I have also used half a cup of milk. I used full fat milk in this recipe so that your cake batter will be creamy too. For the lava center, I have taken dairy milk chocolate, but if you want your center to be white, you can use white chocolates as well. That will be a great twist also. And I have added the choco chip cookies into my mixie jar and I am going to blend it well. I have started adding baking powder to it and also baking soda to it. And I followed by adding the yogurt, that is the curd one. I have added 3 tablespoons of curd to it. Adding milk a little by little so that we can blend it well to a cake batter like consistency. My cake batter is ready now and you can see it is very glossy, and we can check the consistency of the cake batter using a spoon. Our cake batter is really creamy and its consistency is also good. And you can check the consistency of your cake batter like this. When made to free flow, it usually makes a pattern like this. It's correct consistency for us to make the choco lava cake. Now I have preheated my cooker by setting salt at the base, and I'm placing a perforated plate also so that we can keep our choco lava cake being baked on top of it. I have greased a bowl and I have dusted with a flour. Yes, this is where I'm going to pour my cake batter and set my cake. Now I started pouring the cake batter into it on the base layer. You can Add your cake batter based on the width and depth of your cake tin. Here I am using my bowl, so you can pour accordingly. After pouring some cake batter to the base of the bowl, you can add your chocolate. Here I have taken dairy milk chocolate, so I am going to set my chocolate in the center so that it forms a good lava. The lava center will be visible after you have baked your cake, and when you cut the cake it comes really creamy and look delicious too. On the top I fill the chocolate with a cake batter so that it could make a perfect shape. Adjust on top so that our chocolate doesn't oozes outside or comes up also. Now my bowl is ready for baking, and I'm going to set my bowl inside the cooker. I have preheated my cooker already for about 10 minutes. I have set my bowl into the cooker, and I'm going to close the lid and bake it on low medium flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, it really took 20 minutes for me. It's the baking time, so we have to wait for another 20 minutes for the cake to be ready. Now my cake is ready, and I have checked whether it is cooked or not by using a skewer, and the cake was really cooked well, leaving my skewer clean. You can see our cake is very glossy and also really soft. Now I made my cake upside down like this. Yes, the white layer is the dusted layer which we used using the flour. So I am sprinkling my cake with some sugar. You can also add chocolate sauce to it, or Nutella also goes well. And above that I am sprinkling some sprinkles so that it becomes a kid's favorite too. See, all the side layers are also cooked well and it is uniform. Now we can cut our choco lava cake, and let's see for the creamy centers. Yes, it will be really chocolatey. Your cake will be soft outside and creamier inside. Yes, it's a really delicious and creamy cake which I love. See, our centers are chocolatey and creamy, and my cake is also cooked well and it is very soft. And my choco lava cake is ready with its creamy centers. I like to have it really hot. This cake will be super awesome when we have it really hot. See, my spongy cake is ready. It is really spongy and it is also extremely soft. Creamy centers welcomes everybody. It's a must-try recipe if you have kids in your home. And you can also top your cake with a scoop of ice creams of your favorite flavor. That adds a pleasure to your cake. And if you like my video on this chocolate recipe, leave your likes for me. And I dedicate this video to all the chocolate lovers. Bye friends, have a nice day. enjoy with a piece of chocolate